This was our last full day on Drummond Island. Our friends that were in the second half of our group were taking off today. So we used this opportunity to take in as much of the island as we could.
Welcome back to Scott's channel.
Yay!
Last day up here on Drummond Island, we're headed out to Fossil Ledges. Hopefully we'll see more of the ledges. They haven't had water in a few weeks or so. Most of the puddles already look like they're pretty dried up. Other than that, we're just having a fun, relaxing day.
Cold up here today.
It is cold today. It's about 70 compared to the high 70s we've been having. Other than that, we will get ready, pack up, and head home tomorrow.
So we're out here exploring the Fossil Ledges area, and RJ found a new trail that potentially looks like it could go out to some different ledges that we've never seen before. So we're gonna go check that out. We're actually halfway down the trail right now. We're starting to see some water. And yeah, we'll check this area out, and we'll probably go check out the rest of Fossil Ledges after this.
We should have kept going. Maybe this was not where we were supposed to turn. I don't think this is it, huh?
Alright, so this trail really didn't pan out. We got to the end of it to where the water was. There were no ledges. So we're not sure if we're in the right spot or not. The cell phone service out here isn't the greatest. So we did stop about halfway back and decided to air down the tires.
Took out the snorkel.
Oh yeah, we took out the snorkel too. The trail through here is really tight, and we hit a branch and it just took the top of the snorkel right off. But they attach really easily, and now we're just onward to the rest of Fossil Ledges, so we're gonna go right.
Okay.
This is where the trail gets a little bit tighter. It goes without question that the best way to see Fossil Ledges is from the sky. After spending the afternoon at Fossil Ledges, we eventually made our way back to the cabin to pack for the long ride home tomorrow. The following morning was very cold and wet, with rain clouds rolling in. So that is the end of this trip on Drummond Island 2022. We just checked out of our cabin, anchors away. We're just heading to Northern Properties right now to drop off the key, and then we're going to try to catch the ferry here. Overall, awesome weekend. The weather was perfect. We've actually had the best weather we've ever had coming to Drummond. We were here for 5 or 6 days. You know, high 70s, low 80s, sunny every single day. Of course, the day that we're leaving, it is raining now, but it doesn't matter to us because we're leaving. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video, and thanks for following along with the channel. Really appreciate the support.
Hey, do you know how many seashells I found at the cabin?
A lot.
Good morning. Goodbye, Drummond. We love you.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the streets. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go. I just feel I need to take a ride.
You have fun, Hunter?
Yeah.
All right. You have fun, Jack? All right. You have fun, RJ? Woo!
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go. Just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back. Keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my window